This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT333 VFK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, leveling jacks, external shower, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, smoke detector, LP detector, microwave, air conditioning, slide out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT333 VFK is 9,190 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT333 VFK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.